pineapple juice, can I sip on the cup? Mix it with some 1942 and I'm getting
Girl, you chosen. Fuck it up when you bust wide open. It's the ocean, I'm just imposing.
First go to Picture then Collages, Grid. Click 5 photos then Next. Find the layout we need. Click Rashith and find Header. Find and click Border. Set the outer and inner to 0 and the radius to 25 to make the edge round. Click this and make it white. This is what it will look like. Now we need to add lyrics on every photo. Save it, then go to the app that can add text. I will use Fonto. Add the image we edit on Pixart. Now start putting the lyrics like what you see on my video edit. Save it then go to CapCut. Add new project, then add to photo. One is everything you want and the other one is the one we edit. Click the first clip then adjust the duration to 4.3 seconds. Add animation from in, swing top left. Go to Canvas, Color, then click Y. Now adjust it to 1.1 second, then make a copies and adjust the copies in this durations. Now we will add audio, click extract it then add my video. Import sounds only. Move this line at the center of every box. Click the audio, match cut then add beat. Add beat on every box. Click the clip, then add keyframe. Just click the diamond besides the play button. Add again near the first keyframe, then move the first photo to the center like this. The next keyframe is in the beat. Add keyframe again beside the beat, like this, then move the next photo at the center. Don't move your photo if the keyframe is on the beat, if you don't like to fail.
Girl, you chosen. Fuck it up when you bust wide open. It's the ocean, I'm just imposing.
Now we will add flashy effect. So add overlay, then click stock videos and add white. Zoom it, then adjust duration to 5s. Add animation, out, fade out. Back, then go to splice, click overlay, opacity is 80. Copy it, then put it on the other beat like this.
And I'm here.
Girl, you chosen. Fuck it up when you bust wide open. I'm just imposing.
Export it, we will gonna do the floating effect. Go back, then delete all flash, also delete the second clip. Add the video we export. Find the center off the first and second clip, then split it. If you see the plain white, that's the sign you can split it. Delete first part.
Girl, you chosen.
Zoom the clip like this. Now add keyframe in the beat, then move it down slightly. Add again on the beat, then move it up slightly. Then down, then up again.
Fruit on apple juice, can I sip on the
Girl, you chosen. Fuck it up when you bust wide open. It's the ocean, I'm just imposing.
Click the clip, then add animation, out, fade out. Done and export. Thank you for watching.
fruit on apple juice, can I sip on the cup?
Girl, you chosen. Fuck wide open. It's the ocean, I'm just imposing.